I saw online that IKEA's Christmas stuff is in store right now, so I am here at IKEA. I'm gonna check it out and give you a first look at IKEA's Christmas line. I'm gonna show you what I would buy and why, and what I wouldn't buy and why. I'll show you if I bought anything at the end and how I'm gonna style it this season. So let's go into the store. All right, so we're gonna go up to the showroom. I'm gonna see if they have any Christmas displays up there. I already spotted the first thing I would not buy, and it is this gnome. If you know anything about me, you know that I hate gnomes. I'm sorry, everybody. I love how they put together this little Christmas basket. With this basket, we got some slippers, towels, a robe. That's such a cute idea. And we have another gnome, and I think that's Santa, but that's another gnome. My goodness. Now that I've been traumatized by these gnomes, let's see if there's a Christmas setup that doesn't have gnomes in it. I'd be really happy to see that. Now this isn't Christmas, but I love this display. So we already had our Thanksgiving here in Canada, but if you're doing Thanksgiving in the US next month, this is so gorgeous. I love this Helgeo display that you can put leaves, or for Christmas you could put some greenery. That's so gorgeous. This is a very cute bats display here too. My daughter found these, and I remember seeing these earlier this year as a new color for the Up to Dare box, and they're perfect for her room. So we're gonna grab a few of these for her room organization. This here is one of my favorite bed designs that IKEA has. I just love the dark colors, and this wallpaper is so cute. I like this yellow, this ochre yellow daybed. That's really pretty. That's a Hemnes piece. I like how they styled it with the yellow and the burnt orange. I really like this classic red plaid bedding. This is new duvet. Comes with the shams. That is so classically Christmas. I love that. So there wasn't much in the showroom for Christmas, but we're gonna go down to the market hall, which I think should have a lot of their Christmas decor. Hopefully, we're gonna find out. Okay, here we go. Oh, these are pretty. Some pretty berry napkins. We have some floral ones, some stripes.
Got your simple white napkin.
I love these mugs. They're the Winterfent. Have matching plates, also very cute. Ooh, this is pretty. We have this jug with the matte finish. That's really nice. That could be a beautiful Christmas decor piece. And here are those matching bowls with the festive pattern on them. I also really love this duvet cover here with the green and the beige plaid. Very festive, very cozy. go see if there's any new baskets. This was the one that they featured in that little, these are cute. That's super cute. I love this basket for gifts or anything. So here are some new doormats, and we have the Winterfint doormats with the snowflake design for $24.99 Canadian. Plus we have this cute candy cane one. Okay, here we go. Here's some Christmas displays. I love this chair. I don't think it's new, but it's so pretty. It's so perfect for Christmas. And I also like how they did this tree and how they bundled up these ornaments together. That's such a good idea. I always love the bundled ornament look. I've seen some really good DIYs using round vases like this, and this one's such a good deal for $2. So I'm gonna pick this up. I think we could use it for a really great DIY. I always love these cylinder vases. This set is such a good deal. So here finally is the holiday section at the end of the market section. So they have all of their holiday stuff here. So let's go check it out. I'm gonna tell you what I would buy, what I wouldn't buy, and then I'll maybe grab a few things for some decor and DIYs. So here are their Winterfint throws. Now I wouldn't get these because they are really thin. So to me, these feel cheap. They are a good price, but the thinness of these I think is just not worth it. I do like all of their LED light strips. They have so many pretty ones this year. The star one is new. This black one is really fun for Halloween. And then I have this one, it's a looped one. They're always a really great price. I mean, you can't really go wrong with $7 for these. So all of the IKEA LED string lights are a yes for me. IKEA's Christmas wrapping paper is always a great value as well. And they have some classic ones this year. We have the stripe, this stripe, a nice plain gold, and we have cute hearts that I like. And these are all such a great value, $1.99 Canadian. And I've used these for a few years now, and they're a great quality wrapping paper. These are super cute. The holiday themed bags, $2, so cute. Okay, I see more gnomes, and you know, like I just, $8. I don't know, do you like gnomes? Let me know in the comments below, but I just can't. Now here's the woven tree collars, and I grabbed one of these a couple years ago. They're really high quality and a relatively great value for what they are. I think these are $50, but I'll check. I don't see a price tag here. These wreaths are actually gorgeous. So they're $20 Canadian, but look at how full they look. They're actually really pretty with all the mixed greens. These are a yes from me. Now, I'm not a huge fan of this garland here, the $8 garland. It's the holly berries. I think just because the plastic is so shiny, so I would not buy this one. It's a really cute idea. I love how they have this new wooden tree shelf, and then they've put little bags on here, numbered bags you could do with Cricut or anything like that, and they made a really fun activity advent calendar. That's a great idea. I'm gonna see if I can find this and see how much this wood shelf is. Here's the wood shelf. It is $24.99 and so cute. What else would you put on that? All of their pots this year are really nice if you want to put faux trees in them. This gold one is surprisingly heavy and very cute. This one's a yes from me. Also love this red one and the green textured one. These are $8 and the gold one is only $5, and I think that's a great deal. This would also be a great gift basket too. IKEA's Christmas ornaments are generally a good deal as well, and I would recommend them. So we have this year this bag of gold ones, and this one's only $14.99, and then we also have the classic red, which is also really nice. Very classic, great deal, great value. You could reuse these year after year. These clear ones are cute too, the pastels. I like those. Candles, I don't really know if I would buy these ones. I'm not a huge fan of the scents of the IKEA candles. Sometimes they hit, sometimes they miss. This one's a little bit sweet, but they are a good deal. These are $10 and they're really pretty. I love the ribbed glass, the green color, the cork top. These would be a really gorgeous cookie jar, or you could do some gifts in jars for family or friends. Really nice. Also really sweet for gifts. This one is only $5. I love the lid with that little handle on top. Super cute. I've always been a fan of IKEA's mini trees. Always great value, $5, and you can use them really anywhere. They're cute on a tabletop display, mantle, even on a porch display. And once you fluff them out, they actually look really good. This is cute too, but already out of stock. These are super cute. I think they're a little pricey for what they are, but they're adorable. We didn't end up getting a lot of stuff today. That wooden tree with the pegs, that's what my daughter and I both really wanted, but it was out of stock. So that is a good reminder of why I'm trying so much to share early IKEA, early Dollar Tree videos, because a lot of this stuff does pop up really, really early in the season, but then it does sell out really fast, all of those good items. But what we did get was we grabbed a couple of sheets for my daughter's bed, and I picked up, or my daughter picked up, these really cute little stickers. So there's a Santa and a striped sticker for gifts. And we picked up some of these storage bins in the new blush pink color, and picked up that tiny jar. We'll do some sort of DIY with that. I think a snow globe DIY with this tray on top. I think something like that could be super cute with maybe some Dollar Tree Christmas inside. And then I picked up this new basket, which I really love the texture and size of this. I think this would be really beautiful and gorgeous for some Christmas baskets this year. And finally, I picked up some more of those cylinder candles for a beautiful centerpiece for Christmas. So let's go home. I'll show you a couple of DIYs with these, and hopefully it gives you some inspiration as you start thinking about Christmas decor and DIYs this year. Now that I'm back at home, I'm using my blow dryer trick to get all the sticky labels off. I'm also using E6000, and this Dollar Tree ornament, I simply remove the top. I also have this faux snow from Dollar Tree, and I'm placing it inside this round vase. I'm popping in this little camper ornament and this mini tree from Dollar Tree as well. You can tack those down with the E6000, and then I'm just placing some of that around the rim of the jar, placing that flat glass tray on top. And this would be the perfect little snow globe tray for cookies, but I'm just gonna use it for my decor for now with some faux greenery from Amazon and this faux candle from my own shop, Cozy Prairie Linens. I love how this turned out. This basket is so cute. I can't wait to use it to give gifts. I thought I'd fill it up with cozy items from my own shop again. Pillowcase, blanket, a robe, some cozy socks, and some holiday scented candles and room spray. The key when making a cozy gift basket is pick a color scheme. I'm picking golds and grays and stick to that for a really cozy professional look. Now I'm taking the cylinder vases and I'm separating those using some Epsom salts and filling them up. Just make sure to fill them all up at different heights with Epsom salt for the perfect look for this DIY. Then I'm taking this faux pine cone candle from Amazon. I love these, they're so cute. I'll link these in the description box below. Placing one in each of the vases, and then I'm placing these on a round tray. This tray I've had for ages. I can't remember where it's from, but any round tray is going to work. Then I'm placing some of those Amazon faux greenery stems and winding some twinkle lights through those for a beautiful and glowy look for the holidays, for winter afterwards. I love how this turned out, and it is such an easy centerpiece to put together. Let me know which of these IKEA Christmas finds you liked the best down in that comment section below. I would love to hear. For more IKEA hacks for Christmas, I'm gonna leave a video for you to watch next right up in that top left-hand corner.